behind me, you're going to notice the 1957 Chevy station wagon. That is one of two I just bought. Quick little story, make it simple. My uncle restored these cars in the early 90s, mid 90s. We'll get a little story from him, a little better detail later. Called me a month ago, said, wanted to buy another car, an old, Oldsmobile or some kind of older car. Would I want to buy both these cars? So this is the first one. We're gonna do a walkthrough on it. Today's goals, probably pretty lofty. We gotta go get them. We got the rims off of here. We're gonna go put some new tires on it. Check the brakes, drain the gas, get a little bit of work done, and then see if we can do a burnout and take it to get a wash. So thanks for watching the channel. We'll keep you updated. Okay guys, kind of give you a little walk around the car. It's pretty dirty. Scott looks like disc brake conversion at some point. 427 big block. Says car originally used to push about 450, 500 horsepower. So be exciting to see if we can actually get it kind of back up there. She's got a lot of surface rust on, a lot of dirt. When we get this tarp off, we can actually probably get a better look at kind of what the body's line looks like. It looks to be a fairly straight body. Underneath, we've definitely got some surface rust. Nothing that's jumping out at me going, oh my God. But yeah, she's definitely gonna need some love. So at this point, me and my Uncle Joe argue about whether or not to drain the tank, actually check the things on this, but he's determined that this car is going to run and we don't need to do anything to it, and he proves me wrong, which is probably not the first time. Take a listen. Well, as you can see, it was right. So we immediately backs it out of the driveway and takes it down the road because that's just my Uncle Joe. I'm guessing the brakes work because we did stop. Yeah, but put a clutch in it. This car really has not been on the road in 20 years. The only thing we did to it is put some tires on it, add some gas, put some gas in the carburetor, and he was like, all right, let's take a run. That's probably where I get my craziness from when it comes to dealing with cars. So guys, just took a last ride with Uncle Joe. So we can give you guys a quick look at this interior. This thing is amazing. The interior is in like perfect shape. I'm speechless. You probably don't want to hear me talk anyways. We got a lot of rust. I mean, yeah, it's rusty. We got a lot of metal work we're gonna get done. But he said she would run and drive. We drove her to town, did a burnout in front of the Napa, and showed a girl who used to ride in this when she was a kid. So now we're gonna load it up. We'll take it back to North Carolina and see what happens there. Stay tuned. Alright guys, just a quick update for you. South Carolina, everything seems to be working good. The airbags that we installed, which you guys will see in an upcoming video, actually level out the truck pretty good. Actually probably could use a little bit more air, but it's riding great. Car's on there nice and tight. This might be a boring end of the episode, I hope, because it means I get home here in a couple hours. So we'll update you soon. Yeah, about 2 of them. Alright guys, well, we got her running and driving. Washed her on up because she was getting pretty dust. A lot of that green stuff on it. Figure I'd let you sit here and let her idle for a minute. She does sound really nice. So don't forget to like and subscribe. We're going to probably have a little more coming up with this car. We got a lift coming in, so I'll probably film that. Once the lift gets here, we gotta get underneath this and do a little bit more work. We're probably gonna play with that shifter a little bit, probably replace it, maybe rebuild it, I'm not sure. But again, thank you so much for watching us. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. If you don't like what you see, please like and subscribe. And just remember, it's already broke. How much broke are you gonna make it? Let's go out and beat on some stuff.